toy plaything is an object that is used primarily for providing entertainment. Simple examples are blocks, games, and dolls. Toys are often designed for use by children, although many are designed specifically for adults and pets. We welcome you to Item Finder Ville. We search and find the products for your need. We do the hard work. So, you can sit back, relax and select what you really like. At the number 1 we have Hasbro Gaming Simon. Repeat the patterns. It's the exciting electronic game of lights and sounds. Players repeat random sequences of flashing lights, by pressing the colored pads in the correct order. Suspense builds. It starts off at a nice steady pace, but the light sequences get more and more complicated as the game continues. Classic Simon gameplay. Watch, remember, and repeat. The electronic handheld Simon game presents an exciting challenge, to repeat the patterns and advance to higher levels. Hasbro Gaming Simon Handheld Electronic. The electronic game of lights and sounds. Play the Simon game with friends or play solo. Watch, remember, and repeat. Can't remember the pattern? Game over. Add up points from flashing lights. All colors flashing is 10 points. The highest score wins. The Simon game can make a fun birthday or holiday gift for boys and girls, so fun play. At the number 2 we have TOMY PopUp Pirate Game. TOMY PopUp Pirate Game. A classic barrel of laughs for all the family. Who will send Pirate Pete flying? Push Pete down. Pirate Pete goes flying. No reading required to play. The slot changes that makes the pirate pop side words into the barrel. To start, push Pirate Pete down. Take turns sliding swords into the barrel. If the pirate pops up, you're out. Laughter and surprises for the whole family. Beware. If the pirate pops up on your turn, you are out. Kids love the popping action of the pirate flying out of the barrel. At the number 3 we have National Geographic Earth Science Kit. National Geographic, Earth Science Kit. Erupt a volcano, see through a rock, grow a real crystal. Tiger's eye. Pumice, agate, green fluorite, snowflake obsidian, geode, blue calcite, desert rose. Massive science kit for curious kids. More than 15 experiment activities including dueling water tornadoes, building an erupting volcano, growing a crystal, 2 geologic dig kits, and more. Mega Science Series, Earth Science Kit. A detailed learning guide teaches the science at work in the experiments, allowing your child to develop a deep, lasting appreciation for a variety of earth sciences. The National Geographic STEM series provides kids high-quality educational toys that are a whole lot of fun. If your experience is anything less than extraordinary, let us know so we can make it right for you. This science lab allows kids to conduct multiple experiments and is great to share with family, friends, or classmates. You will enjoy the magic of discovery together. At the number 4 we have ThinkFun Gravity Maze Marble Run Brain Game. Gravity Maze Falling Marble Logic Game. High quality, well made with high quality components. Clear instructions you can start playing right away. Gravity Maze Falling Marble Logic Game. Select a challenge and set up the towers on the game grid to match. Determine where to add the indicated towers to the grid. Position the towers so that the marble falls from the start position to the target tower and you win. Trusted by families worldwide, with over 50 million sold, ThinkFun is the world's leading manufacturer of brain games and mind-challenging puzzles. Develops critical skills. Playing your way through the challenges builds spatial reasoning and planning skills, and is partly an engineering and building toy that provides a great stealth learning experience for young players. What you get. Gravity Maze is a combination logic game, marble run, and STEM toy that's one of the best gifts you can buy for boys and girls age 8 and up. It contains 60 challenges from beginner to expert. A game grid, 9 towers, 1 target piece, and 3 marbles. Clear instructions. Easy to learn with a clear, high-quality instruction manual you can start playing and solving right away. Comes with multi-level challenges. Gravity Maze comes with 60 beginner to expert challenges that become increasingly difficult as you play through them. At the number 5 we have Mattel Games Uno Junior Card Game. Mattel Games Uno Junior Card Game. A simplified Uno card game for younger players. With multiple levels of play, kids can grow with the game. Objective: be the first to get rid of all your cards. Deal. Each player 5 cards. Get rid of cards from your hand by matching the color, number, or animal. Parent tip: have beginners lay their cards face up so you can help them. There are 3 levels of play. Draw card, draw 2 card, skip card, reverse card, wild card. Beginner, remove all action cards from the deck to simplify when looking for a match. Skip card, reverse card, wild card. Intermediate, add some action cards back into the deck to allow players to make more critical decisions. Advanced, add all action cards back into the deck to provide opportunities to display logical thinking and challenge your opponents. If you can't make a match, draw one card from the deck. When you are down to your last card, yell Uno. If you don't and someone catches you, you have to draw 2 extra cards. First player to get rid if all their cards wins. At the number 6 we have Skillmatics educational game. Search and find write and wipe activity mats. Reusable activity mats at the campsite. 2 Skilly Billy markers. Duster cloth. Achievement certificate. 6 double-sided mats. 12 repeatable activities. Key learnings: build your child's vocabulary at these amazing places. Parks, farms, amusement parks, camps, outer space, jungle safari, and much more. Vegetable market. Find all the vegetables from the list, which build core skills through fun learning methodologies. At the medical center. Search and find the objects to complete the activity. Truly innovative content which is age appropriate. And the more. Medical center in outer space. At the toy factory. At the farm. At the restaurant. Skillmatics, a fantastic way to build skills. Thank you so much for supporting Item Finder Villa. Please don't forget to like and share. And follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Pinterest.